In this video, I'll guide you through how to manage mature content settings on your account on Steam. If you'd like more control over the content that appears while browsing the Steam store, adjusting your mature content settings is a great place to start. Steam allows you to personalize your experience by choosing what types of content are displayed throughout the store and other areas of the platform. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly where to find these settings and how to customize them in just a few minutes. To begin, open the Steam application on your computer. Once the app is launched, check whether you're already signed in to your account. If not, click the Login button in the upper right corner of the window. Enter your account name and password carefully, then click Sign In. After your credentials are verified, you'll be taken to your Steam homepage, where you'll have access to your games, friends list, and account settings. Next, look toward the upper right corner of the Steam window and click on your profile name. A drop-down menu will appear with several account-related options. From this menu, select Store Preferences. This section contains a variety of settings that let you personalize how the Steam store displays games and recommendations based on your interests and preferences. Once the Store Preferences page opens, scroll until you find the Mature Content Filtering section. This is where you'll manage the types of mature content that Steam displays while you're browsing the store. These settings are especially useful if you share your computer with others or simply prefer to filter certain types of content from your browsing experience. Within the Mature Content Filtering section, you'll see several checkboxes that control different categories of content. Take a moment to review each option and decide which types of content you want Steam to display or hide. Simply check or uncheck the boxes according to your personal preferences. As you make these adjustments, Steam updates your content preferences so your browsing experience better matches your chosen settings. Once you've finished selecting the options that work best for you, your preferences will be applied to your account. If your preferences ever change in the future, you can return to the same page at any time and update the settings again. And that's all there is to it. By customizing your mature content settings, you've made your Steam experience more personalized and better suited to your preferences. It's a simple adjustment that can make browsing the Steam store more comfortable and enjoyable. Thanks for watching, and enjoy exploring Steam with the settings that work best for you.